In a new lawsuit, Ye has been accused by a former employee of wielding his professional status to investigate ex-wife Kim Kardashian and spy on current spouse Bianca Censori. The man, identified as John Doe in a lawsuit filed in the Los Angeles County Superior Court on Thursday, is also suing the rap mogul and his company Yeezy, LLC for infliction of emotional distress, numerous labor code violations, and retaliation, according to court documents obtained by USA Today. Ye's ex-employee, a military veteran who allegedly suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder, claims in the 22-page complaint that the rapper's behavior took a toll on his mental health. The stress and trauma caused by the threats, hostile work environment, and exposure to illegal and unethical activities severely impacted his mental and emotional well-being, the lawsuit states. Doe experienced panic attacks, anxiety, and severe emotional distress, which caused him to seek medical treatment and was placed in a facility to address his declining mental health. Hired as a campaign director and later a director of intelligence for Ye's 2024 presidential campaign, the man alleges he was tasked with conducting various investigations on Kardashian's family, Censori's travels, and individuals who previously sued Ye. Ye's former employee, who was hired in late 2022, alleges in his lawsuit that Ye requested an investigation into ex-wife Kim Kardashian's family. Ye and Kardashian were married from 2014 to 2022. Ye reportedly claimed that the Kardashian clan was connected to criminal enterprises, including sex trafficking, per the complaint. In addition to the Kardashians, Ye's current wife Censori was also a subject of investigation for the rapper, the ex-employee alleges. The man claims he was required to hire private investigators to follow, or tail, Censori without her knowledge when she visited her family in Australia. Doe is also accusing Ye of not paying for work done on his and Yeezy's behalf, according to Thursday's filing. The man claims he was hired as a travel nanny for two Yeezy associates, identified as Stanfield and Trice in the lawsuit. Despite an agreement to provide 24-hour supervision to the pair's infant child in exchange for daily payments of $500, the complaint states Doe was not paid for several pay periods. Defendants have knowingly and willfully refused to compensate for all wages earned and all hours worked at the required minimum wage, the lawsuit reads. As a direct result, has suffered and continues to suffer substantial losses related to the use and enjoyment of such compensation. Tensions with Ye came to a head earlier this year when the man received a report about alleged child abuse at Ye's private school Donda Academy. After informing Yeezy leadership of the abuse claim, the former employee alleges he received an angry phone call from Ye, in which he threatened to kill the man. Additional threats by Ye's associates reportedly followed the incident. Our client is so fearful of Ye and his erratic, disturbing, and unpredictable behavior that he wishes to remain anonymous for his own safety, Doe's attorney said in a statement. It's not only illegal but unconscionable that an employer would threaten any employee with bodily harm or death. Doe is seeking unspecified damages as compensation for his allegedly unpaid wages and lost earnings, among other expenses. He's also requesting a trial by jury.